April 16th, 2:46 p.m. 2018. Looking around, looks kind of nice. And you get over here where you're looking at the northeast. Oh my goodness, north. Wow, the west. Holy cow. And then down in the distance, southwest, south, and back again to the southeast. And above my head, yeah, we're gonna get hammered here real shortly. All right, that's an update for what's going on right now. Totally zoomed out. Wow, that's just crazy. Still waiting to see a rainbow though. Would be nice. Sometimes we catch them like this. Little opening. I guess not right now. Yeah, I'll wait till maybe it'll clear up a little bit later. Who knows? Sun is like right around in here somewhere. All right. Peace out.